Right, today we are cooking a gammon in my new Instant Pot 6 litre. We have a 1.6 kilo gammon, celery, carrot and onion, and 2 bay leaves and some peppercorns. I don't like cloves, so I'm not putting them in. First of all, you make a trivet with the vegetables. That's pretty much it. Then you put the gammon in. As you can see, that fits quite nicely. Put in your spices and seasonings. Doesn't need any salt because it is gammon, so it is already cured. And then you fill to the min line, which is down there somewhere, with hot water. As you can see, I have got clean hands, I promise. That's just on the min line. I'm actually going to put just a little bit more because I added the vegetables. Right, now we put the lid on. That's nice and locked. This goes from closed . We press pressure cook. Turn this to look to meat, which you can see there. I'm going to add some thyme. It's about 15 to 20 minutes per kilo. So in this, sorry, per half kilo. So this is going on for 50 minutes. Press start. This will now go onto that, which just shows that it's heating up. As we've used boiling water, that will take a little bit less time. And once it's heated up and come to pressure, this little red dot will pop up, which I'll show you later. And it will start counting down. Right, the Pressure King Pro has now finished. It's been allowed to release its thing naturally. So I will just flip the top just to make sure it's finished. And as you can see, it has. The red dot has gone back down. And there is our cooked gammon.